Creating a vision board for 2024 is a great way to set your intentions and goals for the upcoming year. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create one. You will need the following items: a poster board or corkboard, magazines, images or printed pictures, scissors, glue or tape, markers, pen or stickers. Set your goals. What do you want to achieve in various aspects of your life this year? Outline them in your journal. Use visuals. Visuals will help paint a mental picture in your mind. Look through magazines, websites, or online images to find pictures and words that represent your intention and goals. Cut them out or print them. Organize your board. Arrange the images and words on your poster board in a way that is visually appealing to you. Personalize. Add your personal touch. You can write affirmations, draw, or include quotes that inspire you. Use markers, pens, or stickers to make it more personalized. Secure the images and words onto your board using glue or tape. Make sure everything is well attached. Display your vision board. Place your vision board in a location where you see it every day, like your bedroom or your office. This will serve as a daily reminder of your goals and intentions for the year. Feel free to update your vision board as you achieve milestones. Remember that a vision board is a tool to help you manifest your goals and intentions, but it also requires consistency and intentionality on your part. Now that you have these tips, go ahead to create a vision board that will help you achieve your goals in 2024. My name is Joy, and this is W, inspiring, connecting, empowering.